Guess what? I'm not in the car, but I am going to school. And I know it's hard for you to see me, but I wanted you to see me someplace else besides in the car. I'm standing in front of the windows in my room, my bedroom. Kind of looks like that wall in Alabama, doesn't it? I just wanted to say that I'm so happy to be back home, but I sure had fun on the cruise. Have you enjoyed watching all the videos? I have a few more to show you. And I also have to show you that while I was away, Baby Bear was doing some serious growing up. You gotta listen to him talking. Oh my goodness. Hi, welcome to Gigi's Place. I'm so glad you came. Come on in. Let's have some fun. Look at the streets. We are in Old San Juan. All these beautiful old buildings and what gorgeous colors. And then down the street, there goes my friend Mike. I might tell you about him someday. And more down everywhere. Street musician gonna tune up and play for us. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little cook's tour of our room. 1301. Stagger in. I was trying to get in without closing the door because I've left my key. So we have here a nice sofa on which an extra person in this room could sleep. A table that goes up or down. We have 3 closets. 1, 2, 3. I'm not opening them because we're messy. Oh, hi. We have a television. We have a little safe in here where our jewelry and stuff is. Right down there is a little tiny mini fridge where Gigi keeps her coffee. And there is some hair. 1 hair. But I'm going to show you a picture later on about the hair. And we have 2 wonderfully comfy beds, 2 nightstands. People are starting to come back on the boat because it's about time for us to think about pulling out of San Juan. We're headed to Grand Turks tomorrow. Aren't the skies gorgeous and the water is so still because we're in port? But it's hot out there. Wednesday of our cruise. When was the last time you saw a cruise ship with a giraffe on top? We're pulling out of port. See the rain on the windows? Okay, now you're going to have to pardon me. We are standing at the very back of the ship. And this is what it looks like. It was changing the water when we were going very, very fast. But look down here. Okay? Now, look at the color of the water as we approach Grand Turk. How about this? A shipwreck. The security officer says this is a barracuda. He's just waiting up here for us to jump in so he can nibble on our legs. On the island, showing you a picture of our ship. We are the only boat ship in the harbor. Look at that. Look at that monster big thing, whatever that is. It's on the front of our humongous boat. Out there. This is the beach. Look at the water. I'm going to try my best to get in there. The other one was not such a good thing, but this one we hope. And when you bring wigs, Linda has on one of my blonde wigs. You put them on top of your lamp. And there's where you dry your swimming clothes. And our phenomenal view. I'll finish up by showing you what the water looks like when you're this close to it. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're getting ready to pack because we land in Miami early in the morning and we're on our way home. They're having a little cat in the hat breakfast this morning, our final day at sea for the kids. Is this adorable or what? Saying 99 on his shirt. So here is our final movie we're waiting to see. And what are we waiting to see? Smallfoot. Smallfoot. I keep calling it Littlefoot. Smallfoot on that great big screen. And you see there's the swimming pool and the hot tub. But we're up here with blankets because it's cold outside. See that big thing that powers the engine? I don't see very many stars. But there's a whole string of lights. And it's enormous water slide parking up here. I was one worried Gigi out in the middle of that water. Didn't have any internet, couldn't talk on the phone, and my baby boy was missing me, weren't you, Perkins? Yeah, he really likes bugging Gigi when she's working on the computer. Yeah. See him stick his hand up here? We don't want to show everybody your potty. He was so very sick. But he's better now. He just has to eat special food and the girls can't have his food. So Perkins now has his food over here in the closet and I have to put their food away so he can't eat it. They won't get his food, but he won't stay out of theirs.